Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable the background apps on Windows 11. This will also reduce the CPU and the memory usage on your Windows. So in Windows 10, it is just very easy on how you can disable the background apps. You will just simply search background apps in the Windows search bar and all the background apps of the Windows 10 will appear and you can just simply disable it from here. Now this is Windows 11 on how we can disable the background apps on Windows 11. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. So these are all the applications in my Windows. Now we need to look for the applications which has advanced options. Let's say for example the Microsoft OneDrive. Click on these three dots. Now if this doesn't have advanced options, then we need to look for all the applications first with advanced options. So let's say for example the Copilot. Click on these three dots, select advanced options. Now you have here background app permissions. Let this app run in background. In these three options, you have always, power optimized, and never. Just simply choose never. Go back to installed apps. Then we are going to look for more. So we have here the Microsoft Clipchamp. Click on these three dots, select advanced options. Background app permissions. Let this app run in background. Then choose never. Then we are going to look for more from here. We have here the snipping tool. Click on these three dots, select advanced options, background app permissions, make sure this is never. Then we're going to look for more from here. We have the Microsoft 365 Copilot. Click on these three dots, select advanced options. Let this app run in background. Just simply choose never. Now, if an application on your Windows 11 doesn't have the advanced options, then what you can do is you just need to simply click on these three dots. And if it doesn't have advanced options, and if you're not using this, then just simply uninstall that app. Click on yes. Now, once this has been uninstalled, then we also need to uninstall all other applications which are unnecessary. So let's say, for example, we have this Zoom Workplace. Just simply click on these three dots, select uninstall. Again, for the application which doesn't have the advanced option, then you need to simply uninstall that. And so that's it. That's how you can disable the background apps on your Windows 11. You just have to simply click on these three dots, select advanced options for the application. Let this app run in background, just choose never. Now, if an application doesn't have advanced option, then just simply uninstall that if that is also unimportant or unnecessary. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.